Hello everyone, this is my final year project and this is not a 100% complete clone of Mini TV but also have an added feature. I have find a fault and a very big flaw in a Mini TV that I have uh, integrated a new feature in Mini TV that will solve that flaw. Now let's first log into this account, so I'll show you what I have added. Now this is completely Firebase authenticated. It has Firebase authentication. If I enter this, it will show there is no authentic login credentials. So let me first write the right password. Now if log in, see, it will redirect me to the main page and it will show me that what my name is and how I am working. That is welcome Arish Dikshit, and let me show you where all this data of my login authentication, where does it go. It goes to the direct Firebase authenticator, that is this. Now all the people who have logged in here, this is the account where what I have logged in right now. See, Arish Dikshit, April 6 May 28. Now this is also published on GitHub currently. Uh, it needs internet connection to authenticate. Now what I have added another snip feature. What I have find a flaw, that is when I watch any web series, it needs all there was lot of ads on this web series. Now what the problem is that so much user can get so much annoyed with these lots of ads and everything is
पड़ रहा है कि
lot of ads. So what I have done, and what the motto of Amazon Mini TV is, to be free and always free, entertaining and always free. Now to do this, they need to run ad on this so they can earn some revenue. But what I have noticed, that there were a lot of ads on single episode, 45 minutes episode, and there were 6 to 7 ads. That will be really annoying to a user. Now what I have added this snip feature that is currently working on YouTube. It is kind of a clone of YouTube, which I have added in this. So you can watch series, you can watch uh, short features of any user, and he can, what I have think that when I let me show you, if I like this part of series, now I can cut this part and upload it to snip. Now user can earn from those snip, the ads the company can earn some profit also. You can like, you can comment, and the amount of comment and like any user gets, the amount of money user gets. Okay, so this is the main project of mine, final year project. It is completely working. Also I have added an admin panel that is currently here. Let me show you. It is also Firebase authenticated. Let me show admin. If I write wrong password, it won't let me log in. See, invalid user and password. If I add the right number, it will let me go to the admin panel. Now I can upload new series and upload episode according to that series. That is, there is no series uploaded, so it won't show me anything because the storage feature in Firebase is very costly and I can't afford that much. Now this is short feature also. This is manage content. This is profile of any admin, whoever admin is, current password, new password if they want to change the password. Now let me go back again to the main web series page. Now this is the final year project which I have working from very months. Now I am trying to uh, transport this project to directly to React. I am working on React. I will build this project through React. Also add more user panel where user can see how much he earned, how much web series, how much views he get, and try to improve this snip feature and add the ad feature in this web series, so user can earn money, company can also earn more money from it. Thank you so much for watching my project.